Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Intelligent CAN-based Automotive Collision Avoidance Warning System. So here we are using an Arduino Uno R3 board. Both side we are using Arduino Uno R3, and CAN controller board we are using MCP2515 and 2551 CAN board we are using, and one speed sensor, ultrasonic distance measurement sensor to measure the distance of the front vehicle. And here we are using 16 cross 2 LCD display RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 3 4 5 6 7 8, and speed sensor it is connected to the analog A0, and ultrasonic sensor it is connected to the trigger and echo, trigger A1 echo A2, and MCP2515 CAN controller and same CAN board, and Arduino Uno R3, and GSM mobile SMS alert for owner, LCD display. Here we can't use, but by the by for testing purpose I am using both side, alarm and one DC motor for PWM technique. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED power supply board, Arduino Uno R3, and MCP2515 CAN controller and MCP2551 CAN trans receiver board we are using, and one speed sensor. So this side speed will be plus and this side speed will be minus. It should be stationary. 16 cross 2 LCD display, and HCSR 04 ultrasonic distance measurement module we are using. And here we are using an same board. Okay, so CAN controller board and Arduino Uno R3 board and power supply board, and GSM SIM 800L we are using. So you can get the SMS alert for any collision avoidance or any speed increases for the set point. Okay, so Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, you can use any SIM card here. 16 cross 2 LCD display, and alarm and one engine. If over speed above 120 it will send the SMS alert, and near the vehicle it will send the SMS alert. And we are going to start the power supply on both side. Vehicle accident prevention CAN protocol using Arduino GSM, and Arduino GSM CAN receiver board and transmitter board, and speed is 108, and D is in the drive mode. Distance, D for distance, there is no vehicle, and here also it is receiving the data. Okay, so now I am going to increase the speed. Okay, if 120 above 120 is the set point, and the speed, if it is crosses one, after 3 counts it will check for 3 counts. Alarm is the beep sound, and warning system, so it will give the warning and as well as SMS alert. Yeah, we got 175, and we need to come back same stationary position. Okay, over speed, drive slow, and if the distance is around 10 to 15 centimeter, 10 to 15. Okay, yeah, it is showing us front vehicle. Okay, 13, 11 is coming. Okay, after third count it will send the SMS to the owner mobile, front vehicle drive slow. Sending SMS alert. Yeah, nearer to vehicle drive slow. So it's a CAN sending the high low data. Okay, to high low. So high should be orange color cable, and low should be red color cable. So two boards, we can add third board also for node 3, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. We can add n number of nodes. So we can add individual sensor like engine temperature sensor, smoke sensor, or fuel sensor, or like that we can add multiple sensors with the nodes, and we can collect the data onto the receiver node, and we can send the SMS alert to the multiple mobile numbers. Ultrasonic sensor, speed sensor, LCD, Arduino, CAN board. CAN board, engine, engine, alarm, LCD, and GSM SIM 800L and power supply board. Yeah, thanking you.